Yo, what's up YouTube? Cpagrip marketing with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing with you a cool strategy that you can use to make money online from Amazon and Walmart. Alright, so you don't need to post any of your products there. You don't need to buy any products from this website. I'm going to show you these tactics that you can use to make money from this website. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, if you come to Amazon.com, right, you can search for any product that comes to your mind. Alright, so for instance, for the sake of this video, let's go with microphone. Alright, if you click on microphone, you can see the results that are going to come out. They even give you filters that you can use to narrow down your results, right? So as you can see, in this strategy, we are going to be taking this product labeled best sellers, and the reason why we are going to be taking this product is because these products are really good. That's why they are best sellers. For instance, let's click on this first one and see. As you can see, this this microphone product has a high rating. As you can see, the rating are really high. The rating is really high, which means it's a very good product. Alright, so let's go back real quick. So literally, we are going to be grabbing these products. Alright, we are going to be taking this product. Once you click on the product, you're going to be downloading the images of this product. If you click on it, right, if you right click, you'll be able to save the image of this product. Alright, and you can see usually the products have about 5 to 6 images that you can download. Alright, but all you need to do is get just one of the image of the product. Like this one, for instance, will be a perfect image to use in this method. So right, all you need to do is download, save the image, right? So you are going to do this same method for about 5 to 10 products, right? There are a lot of products that are rated as bestsellers. You don't have to really use bestsellers, but they are the best to use for this method because these products, the buyers have given them a very high rating, which means most people that bought this product, they really liked the product. Alright, so this is what you need to do. So after grabbing the images of these products, right, so then you come to Google Sites. So once you come to Google Sites, then I'm going to show you an example that I've made previously. Okay, let me click on this one. Alright, as you can see, this is a video. This is a landing page I've made I showed how I made this landing page in one of my previous videos. Alright, I may link it up here. So for the sake of this video, I don't want this video to be really long. Alright, you can go and watch that video. You'll see how I made this landing page. So literally, that's all you need to do. You grab the images of the product and then you list the product here, and then instead of, for instance, this product is asking for $109, but literally $110, right? So instead of using $110 in this page, you may write $120 and then you give a discount of $109. Alright, which means whenever anybody comes to this landing page, if they click on it, right, you are going to content log this Amazon link, right? So once they unlock the Amazon, it will be redirected here to download to buy the product at the actual price, right? So that is how you use this method to make money with Cpagrip without owning any product. All you need to do is content log the link to the original price of this product, and then you give a different price as the original price, as this one is saying $10 here, right? It's saying $10 is the original price at the discount of $20. So literally in this case, right, this $109 is going to be this $10 instead of $10 is going to be 109.99. So, and then this one will be maybe, it's going to be maybe 120. Alright, so you get the point. So that is literally all you need to do. You're going to do the same for 3, but as you can see, I listed 3 products on this page, and this page looks super awesome. So literally all you need to do, and the most important thing in this method is how you are going to get traffic to whichever product you decide to promote at the end of the day. Alright, so all you need to do is go to Facebook. Right, you need to join groups that are going to be interested in whatever product you decide to promote. Like for instance, in this case, microphone. Who are the people who are going to be buying microphones? Alright, that is the first question that you need to answer. Alright, so once you answer the first question of who are going to be buying this product that I want to promote, then you come to Facebook. There are thousands and thousands of groups about people who will be interested in that product. As you can see, this product has, when we click on this product, as you can see, it has over 16,000 ratings, which means a lot of people have bought this product and people are still buying this product. And the people that are buying this product are people who need this microphone. So those are the people you'll be targeting. You'll be targeting to promote your Cpagrip content local link to. Alright, so when you come to Facebook, you type streamers, because streamers are one of the people who want to buy a microphone for their gaming videos. Alright, and you can see I included USA here. You don't need to include USA. You can actually just type streamer, because Amazon is literally available in a lot of countries now. Alright, so I typed USA because I just wanted to narrow the results down to USA. Alright, and you can see these groups are super active. This one has over 23,000 and it gets about 710 posts per day. So I'm not saying you should spam these groups. All I'm saying is you just need to leave your link. You just need to promote this link in these Facebook groups. As you can see, you might let them know you are a streamer and you found this website where you got cheaper products, all right, for your streaming, and then you post the link in this group, and before you know it, people will start clicking on the link to check out this landing page. And once they get to this landing page, once they see this type of landing page, because of this landing page looks so professional, they would literally want to check the link out and see the product. Alright, so once they click on it, it's going to show them to complete an offer. So once they complete the offer, they will be taken to the actual page, which is this Amazon page. Alright, so once they complete the offer, if they buy this product or not, it doesn't matter, because they've completed the offer and you've made money. Alright, so you don't need them to actually buy this product. That's not what you are after. What you are after is they complete your offer that you're going to content log on this page. That is all you want them to do, to complete the offer. You don't need them to buy this product to make money, because if they buy this product, you are not making money off of it. All you are going to make money off is if they complete the offer and get to this page. That is all you need them to do. Alright, you can do the same process for Walmart. So if you go to Walmart and type in headphones, right, as you can see, it has best sellers as well. If you come to the filter section, you can see you can search by best sellers as well. So which means they are the best product which a lot of people have liked. So that is another website too that you can use aside from Amazon. So literally that is the method in a nutshell. Alright, so if you find any useful value in this video, then subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video so I keep bringing more and more valuable videos for you. Alright, and having said that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.